Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 7 of class 7 subject GK. Greatest Indian woman. These are some Indian women who have done or played a major role in shaping our country. These are some of the greatest Indian women who have played a major part in shaping our country. First one is Pratibha Devi Singh Patel is an Indian politician who was a member of Indian National Congress. Now, this woman, Pratibha Devi Singh Patel, she was the politician also and was the member of Indian National Congress. She served as the 12th President of India. She was also the 12th President of India. Also, Patel is only woman to become the President of India, and she was the only one woman who became the President of India. Coming to the second one, that is Indra Krishnamurti Noi, is an Indian-born business executive and the current chairperson and CEO of PepsiCo. Now she is the Indian-born business executive and currently she is the chairperson and the CEO of the which company? PepsiCo. She was among the top 15 of the world's 100 most powerful women. Now in 100 most powerful women, she ranked at 15. She has an annual salary of around $19 million. What is her annual salary? It is $19 million. She is Indra Kumari Murti Noe. Third one, Chavi Rajawat is the first woman Sarpanch in India with an MBA degree. Now this woman, Chavi Rajawat, she is the first woman Sarpanch in India. She has the qualification as MBA degree. She left her well-paying corporate job to become the Sarpanch of Soda, a village 60 kilometers away from Jaipur. Now what she has left? Well-paying corporate job, because she wanted to become the Sarpanch of Soda village, that is 60 kilometers away from Jaipur. Fourth one, Kiran Bedi is an Indian politician, social activist, former tennis player and retired Indian police officer. Now she is an Indian politician, social activist, former tennis player and she is a retired IPS officer. She was the first Indian female police officer to be, and she was the first Indian to become the IPS, woman IPS. Chanda Kochar is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ICICI Bank, India's largest private bank. She has also won a Padma Bhushan for contribution in the banking sector. Sixth one, Arundhati Bhattacharya is the first woman to be chairperson of SBI, State Bank of India. She was the first woman chairperson of SBI. She was named among the 30 most powerful women in the world by Forbes magazine. Now she was named 30 most powerful women in the world by which magazine? Forbes. Now coming to the chapter number 8, Superlatives of India. These are some superlatives of India. Now you have to match these, okay? Given below are some of the superlatives of India, that is longest, highest and largest. Match their names appropriately. You have to match these with the appropriate names, okay children? Now longest canal. So children, where it is? It is Indira Gandhi Canal, number 1. Number 2, highest airport. So it is Leh Airport, Jammu and Kashmir, number 2. Number 3, largest Gurudwara. It is, where it is children? Golden Temple, Punjab. Number 4, largest dam. It is Bhakra Nangal Dam, Punjab. Okay. Fifth one, longest road. It is Grand Trunk. Right, number 5. Number 6, largest mosque. It is Jama Masjid, Delhi. Number 7, longest glacier. It is Sachin, Jammu and Kashmir, number 7. Number 8, highest gateway. It is Buland Darwaza, Uttar Pradesh. Number 8. Number 9. Largest cave. Number 9 is largest cave. It is the Holy Amarnath Cave, Jammu and Kashmir. 9 number. Okay, children. Now, longest beach. So, where it is? It is Marine Beach, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It is 10th one. 11. Largest dome. So, where is the largest dome? It is Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur, Karnataka. 11 number. Number 12. Longest river. It is Ganga. Number 13. Largest temple. It is Sri Rangaram Temple, Tamil Nadu. Number 14. Largest indoor stadium. Where it is? Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. Did you know NASA Spitzer Space Telecom has discovered the biggest but the newest seen ring around the planet Saturn? So children, you have to complete your work. You have to read this chapter number 7 on page number 11 in your textbook, and you have to learn what the major role they have played in shaping our country, and chapter number 8 page number 12 you have to complete with this match of the following, okay, superlatives of India. So complete your work and you have to learn also. Thank you.